Have you ever wondered how to make millions of dollars? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The luxury cars, lavish vacations, financial freedom, it's a dream many of us share. But how does one actually go from dreaming about millions to making them? Step 1. Cultivate a millionaire mindset. Success, especially of the monetary sort, begins in the mind. If you believe you can achieve it, you're already halfway there. Surround yourself with positivity, set clear goals, and visualize your success. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that first step is believing you can. Step 2. Acquire a high-income skill or profession. This could be anything from becoming a skilled surgeon to mastering the art of software development. It's not about picking something that's in demand, but rather about finding something you love and are good at, then becoming the best in your field. Step 3. Save and invest wisely. It's not enough to make money, you need to keep it and grow it. This is where financial literacy comes into play. Understand the basics of saving, investing, and wealth creation. Real estate, stocks, mutual funds, or starting your own business. These are all avenues to consider. Step 4. Diversify your income sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple income streams not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a safety net in case one stream dries up. This could mean starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or even writing a book. Step 5. Surround yourself with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with successful, ambitious individuals, their mindset, habits, and success will rub off on you. Step 6. Never stop learning. The most successful people are those who are constantly learning and adapting. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or getting a mentor, always be on the lookout for ways to expand your knowledge and skills. So to summarize, making millions is not about luck or having a silver spoon. It's about cultivating the right mindset, acquiring a high-income skill, saving and investing wisely, diversifying your income, surrounding yourself with successful people, and never stopping learning. It may seem daunting, but remember, every millionaire started at zero. With the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you too can join the ranks of the financially free. So dream big, work hard, and start your journey to making millions today.